Does your bank support NACHA? Well, NACHA is a quick, secure, and reliable payment gateway through the network of the National Automated Clearinghouse Association, or NACHA. Now you're probably wondering why you should process subscriber eCheck payments via NACHA. First of all, eCheck payments processed by your bank via NACHA cost less in transaction fees compared to other payment gateways. Second, you can get paid faster. When you send a NACHA file to your bank, they can process the NACHA payments within 24 hours. So this helps streamline your disbursement process. Now, to activate and set NACHA as a default option for processing eCheck payments, do the following. Open the menu. Click on the Billing tab. Select Payments. Next, select the Payment Gateways tab and click on NACHA. To activate NACHA, provide the necessary information in the available fields. Consult with your bank for the details. Now, if you're done filling in the details, toggle Active if you want to enable and use the NACHA payment gateway. You can also toggle the default for eCheck option if you want NACHA to be the primary gateway when processing eCheck payments. Toggle the Notify when daily manual payments are posted and click on the Notify field. Add the name and email of the user or group you want to notify when any eCheck payments are posted. Save your work when done. For more information about this and all other features in Visp, reach out to your Visp Client Success Team today. After you enable and configure NACHA, go back to your subscribers list. Select a subscriber who currently pays or plans to pay via eCheck and make the following changes. Click and open the subscriber's profile. Go to the Payments tab and select the Payment Options tab. Under Payment Method, select eCheck. Next, right below the payment method, click on the blue highlighted text and select NACHA from the drop-down. The full text should now read, Use NACHA ISP default when processing eCheck payments for the subscriber. After selecting NACHA, a pop-up may appear containing this message. The subscriber will be notified that they have to re-enter their account information because the selected payment gateway does not have the needed account information. If you click on I understand, any saved payment information will be removed and you will have to re-enter the payment details for the new gateway. You may prepare an email to notify your customers about this important step where they have to re-enter their eCheck information. Now, if you select Cancel, any current information will be retained. If it is the customer's first time to pay via eCheck and process their payment via NACHA, you have to enter the routing number, an account number, as well as account type, which is usually either savings or checking. Have your customers provide these information from their bank. You may also tell the customer to log in via their account manager to add their eCheck information. Provide a link to your customer's account manager. Point your customers to the payment information section from the sidebar. Toggle or select eCheck. If there's an existing account, you can click on Edit Details. Provide your routing and account numbers and have the customers agree to the terms and then enable autopay as necessary. Save your work when done. You can manually process one-time payments from within Visp or use autopay with NACHA. Your customers can always log in via their account manager to process one-time payments or enable autopay for their accounts. For a user to process a manual eCheck payment in Visp through NACHA, first open the customer's account. Now go to the Payment section and click on Receive Payment. Select the invoices and/or set the amount you want to process a payment for. Add a memo and transaction ID, and then click on Post Payment when you're done. Now to activate autopay with NACHA, go to the Payment Options section. Toggle autopay and then pick a date. Save your work when done. To process a payment via the account portal, go to Pay My Bill. Make sure that eCheck is selected, and then set the amount you want to pay. Now, if your customer wants to review the statement or invoices that they'll be paying for, click on Check My Statements. So going back now, after setting the amount, click on Post Payment. For more information about this feature and all other features, reach out to your Visp client success team today.